Hi guys, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry classes. Today I am going to start new relation in the problems, that is volume relation. So here, what is the volume? Volume means its standard temperature and pressure. 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. Means 1 mole of any gas, whether it is carbon dioxide gas or a sulfur dioxide gas or you take nitrogen dioxide gas, any gas, its standard temperature and pressure occupies 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml of volume. Its standard temperature and pressure at STP means standard temperature and pressure. Any gas occupies 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml. Suppose, for example, I would like to give one example. Suppose, first example, 1 mole of carbon dioxide occupies how many liters of volume? Generally here, this is a standard statement. 1 mole of any gas. Yes, you take any gas, this is the standard statement. Suppose 2 moles, then you calculate 2 into 22.4 liters of volume. Means like this, 1 mole of any gas you take, this is the standard volume. So now I am explaining in the problem the relation between volume relation in the problem. So I explained clearly in numerical problems in chemistry book. Today I am going to explain once again volume relation. That is, first problem, the volume of oxygen gas required at STP for complete combustion of 10 ml of methane. So here is asking volume of oxygen. How much? Volume of oxygen. How much volume is required? So you have to write the chemical equation. He will not give you, because this is problems based on chemical equations. Generally here he mentioned combustion, complete combustion. Combustion means then you have to use CH4 plus O2. Means on heating, means it reacts in the presence of oxygen, means it burns and undergoes combustion to form carbon dioxide and water. This is very important reaction. So you take any reaction, this we can call it as hydrocarbon compound. It undergoes or react with oxygen or undergoes combustion to form carbon dioxide and water. Whether you take ethane, methane, propane or propene or propine, whatever it may be, means to form carbon dioxide and water. Then you have to balance that reaction, balancing 1, then 4, then 2 2s are 4. So here 2 2s are 4, then 2 plus 2. It is a balanced. Now here 1 mole of methane reacts with 2 moles of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. In the given problem, 10 ml of methane gas. Then you write down 10 ml of CH4. Then here how much volume That is in ml. If you want to calculate ml, how much volume it is required. Generally here what happened? 1 mole of any gas, so 1 mole of substance means 1 into 22,400 ml of methane occupies or reacts required 2 into 22,400 ml of oxygen. This is the standard statement from this what equation? Why beta? Here 10 ml of methane given substance is in ml. Then you have to take in ml. Then here you are going to calculate the molecular means volume in ml. So 1 into 22,400 ml, whether it is a methane or any gas, contains 2 into 22,400 ml of oxygen. So here 10 ml of methane, then required how much ml of oxygen? Then crisscross. So naturally you will get what? 10 into 2 into 22,400 ml divided by 22,000 400. Then automatically this into this divided by this. So automatically you will get what? 20 ml of oxygen. Means first the volume relation. This much ml required this much ml. This much ml required how much? Then use crisscross like this. This is first problem. Next problem from this. Again, the next problem, calculate the, he is asking calculate the volume of oxygen. So in acetylene gas. So here acetylene gas C2H2 plus O2, naturally will get a carbon dioxide and water I told. So here suppose 80 liters of acetylene gas, 80 liters of acetylene gas required how much ml of oxygen? Isn't it? So to form carbon dioxide and water. Now you have to do, so how much liters required, how much to form carbon dioxide and water? These are very, very important. This is what a homework problem for you. You calculate how many liters of oxygen is required for complete combustion of 80 liters of acetylene. Then you calculate beta. Next problem. This is for homework problem. Third problem, similarly, 1 liter of carbon dioxide is passed over hot coke. So here carbon dioxide react with carbon to form carbon monoxide. So here 1 liter of carbon dioxide, when it is passed through red hot coke to form carbon monoxide. So calculate the how much, or here ml, calculate the, it is nothing but volume of carbon monoxide. Then what you have to do? Come on, I will give you 1 minute time. Then you do. Okay. Now I will do First you have to do balancing. That is very important. If balancing of reaction plays a major role, then here what beta? Here 1 carbon, 1 2, then 2. Then oxygen 2 plus 2 balanced. Then what do you get beta here? 1 mole of carbon dioxide reacts with 1 mole of carbon to form 2 moles of carbon monoxide. Then first what happened? The given information is in liters. Liters of carbon dioxide means 1 into 22.4 liters. Why? The given information is in liters. So that is why here 1 liter. 1 liter means here 1 into 22.4 liters of carbon dioxide gives 2 into 22,400 ml of carbon monoxide. So here 2 into here 22,400 ml. Why you wrote like this 22,400 ml? Because the given information you are going to calculate the product in ml. So that is why you have to take in ml. Means this is in liters, so that is why you take in liters. Then here this is in ml. This is the relation between carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So 1 into, why 1 into? So 1 mole is participating. 1 into 22.4 liters of carbon dioxide gives 2 into 22,400 ml. Why this is in ml? Ml this is in liter. So that is the relation. So 1 into 22.4 liters gives 2 into 22,400 ml. So this much gives how much? 1 into 2 into 22,400 ml divided by 1 into 22.4 liters. Then finally we will get dash ml of carbon monoxide. So like this you have to do. Similarly, fourth problem. For example, nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. So here, suppose 20 liters of nitrogen react with hydrogen to form how many, what you all you take, ml? ml of water, ammonia. How you have to do? First, you have to balance the reaction. That is very important. So generally, here these liters means there must be in what you call gases. Generally, we'll take standard temperature and pressure. At standard temperature and pressure, occupies what beta? The 22,400 ml or 22.4 liters. So first you balance this reaction, 1 mole, 2 moles, then this is balanced. Generally, the given information in liters. Liters of N2. By liter balancing. Then you take based on this information 1 into 22.4 liters. Why beta? At standard temperature and pressure, any gas occupies 22.4 liters. Whether it's a nitrogen or you take hydrogen, carbon dioxide or you take nitrogen dioxide or anything, it occupies same. Gives 2 into 22.4 liters. If you write like this is wrong. Why? The given information now is going to calculate is required in ml. If you write this much liters, no. You will get in liters. So that is why you take in a ml, 22,400 ml of water, ammonia. So here this much contains so much. So you will get 20 into 2 into 22,400 ml. So divided by what 1 into 22.4 liters. Then you will get dash ml of water, ammonia. So like this here what happened? You have to take the relation between water. If it is given information in ml, so you have to take in ml. If it is a liters, you take in liters. If it is in ml, you take ml. Means like that, at standard temperature and pressure, any gas occupies same volume. So suppose you take nitrogen, N2 react with oxygen to form NO. Suppose here 102 ml of nitrogen gives dash ml of NO. How you are going to calculate? The given information is ml. ml of N2 is equals to dash ml of NO. Why? You are going to calculate in ml. Given information is ml. Then here, if you do directly, you will get wrong answer. Why? First you have to do balancing. That is very important. 2, then here 1, then this is now 2, 2. It's a balanced chemical equation. So 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. So it's a balanced reaction. Now here one more. The relation between nitrogen as well as water, NO, nitrous oxide. Then here 1 into 22,400 ml. Why is this ml? 1 into 22,400 ml gives water 2 into 22,400 ml. Why ml? Take information means this is an ml, so that way you take ml. So this much ml gives how much? Means 102 into 2 into 22,400 ml divided by 1 into 22,400. So finally we will get a dash ml of what NO. Why? The given information is in ml, then you have to take in ml. So here you are going to calculate ml, so that is why you have to take in ml value. This is very, very important. So this is the relation between volume and volume. So this is very, very important based on this what you call problems based on chemical equations. So first you have to go through that right chemical reaction properly. Number 1. Number 2, balance that reaction. Number 3, the given information is in ml or in liters, then you have to go through that. So carefully, this is about problems based on volume relationship. Thank you. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి and finally comment చేయండి. Thank you very much. And I gave 2 or 3 problems, then please work చేయండి. Finally, please give the answers of respective questions. Thank you very much.